Very good morning, students. Today our topic is sensors in second unit. Now see that sensor is a device which is able to detect in physical or chemical quantity of a sample and provides information continuously in discrete steps in the form of an electrical signal. Sensors are various types such as chemical sensors, optical sensors, mass sensors and thermal sensors will constitute the electrochemical sensors. First of all, what are electrochemical sensors? These are electro-analytical devices that owe their popularity and success to the scientific discipline electrochemistry. These sensors will provide information about the chemical environment and the growing need for reliable sources of information which guarantees their future. In these sensors, chemical information is directly converted into electrical signal. An electrochemical sensor has an outer frame containing an electrolytic gel, 3 electrodes such as measuring electrode, counter electrode and reference electrode. At the top it has gas permeable membrane. The electrodes used in the sensor should have high sensitivity, durability and large surface area. Special filter electrodes are also arranged for getting quick signals. These are devices that evaluate information about sample from measurement of some electrical parameter. Next, how to classification of electrochemical sensors. According to the measures of electrical parameters, electrochemical sensors are divided into 3 types. First one is potentiometric sensors. If we measure difference of two potentials. Second one is amperometric sensors or voltammetric sensors if the parameter is current. Third one is conductometric sensors if we measure resistance or conductance. The basic principle involved in any electrochemical sensors is Ohm's law. The Ohm's law states that the potential difference is equal to the product of electric current and the resistance. That is I equal to E by R. Therefore, E equal to IR. In all sensors have two things are in common. First, the measurement should be done with closed electrical circuit, measuring that a test charge can be passed through the electrical circuit and return to its origin. Secondly, electrical neutrality is to be maintained. First of all, potentiometric sensors. It is used to determine the concentration of ions of interest in the test solution used for electroanalysis. A good sensor will have greater ability to respond to the species of interest even in the presence of other species called interference. What is the working principle of potentiometric sensors? The concentration of the ionic species present in the test solution is determined directly by using potentiometric sensor. This is because the concentration of the species is related directly to the potential difference in volt developed in the system. In potentiometric sensor, ion selective electrode is used for electroanalysis. Most of the ion selective electrodes are membrane electrode and glass electrode, etc. For example, analysis of glucose. How do you analysis of glucose? By potentiometric sensors. For analysis of glucose, initially neutral glucose molecule is to be converted into ions. The ions are selectively detected as shown below. During the analysis of glucose, it is oxidized in the presence of oxidase enzyme to gluconic acid. Finally, the subsequent measurement of the liberated H plus ions are carried out by using glass electrode through pH is determined. The following are the electrochemical reactions that occur during the analysis of glucose through potentiometric sensors. That is D-glucose plus O2 plus H2O is gives to D-gluconic acid plus H2O2. H2O2 is gives to 2H plus 2 electrons. D-glucose plus GDH oxidase is gives to GDH reduction plus glucolactone. GDH reduction plus mediator oxidase is gives to mediator reduction plus GDH oxidase. Mediator reduction is gives to mediator oxidation plus electrons. These are the chemical reactions are involved in the analysis of glucose by using potentiometric sensors. Next, what are the applications of potentiometric sensors? The glucose levels in blood as well as in urine can be determined by using potentiometric sensors. The urine glucose measurement integrates a glucose value over the time required for the bladder to fill. Fourth one, the concentration of H plus ions released during the decomposition of carbonic acid formed by the hydrolysis of carbon dioxide can also be determined. H2O plus CO2 is gives to H2CO3 plus 2H plus CO3 minus 2. This is about the potentiometric sensors. Next, come to amperometric sensors. It is used for the measurement of current between the working electrode and counter electrode, which is induced by a redox reaction. In amperometric sensors, an electrochemical signal finds its place in accordance with the diffusion current developed. The diffusion current is directly proportional to the concentration of the species which is being electrochemically transformed at the electrode. The electrochemical reactions will occur quickly when the charge transfer resistance is very low. On the other hand, when the charge transfer resistance is very high, the electrochemical reactions will occur slowly. The size of electrode also plays an important role in the performance of amperometric sensor. Amperometric sensors having electrodes of diameter less than 20 meters will exhibit best performance. For example, analysis of uric acid. How to analysis of uric acid by amperometric sensors? For analysis of uric acid can be carried out in the presence of an enzyme or in the absence of an enzyme by using amperometric sensor. The following electrochemical reactions occur during the analysis of uric acid amperometric sensor. There are two cases are involved. In case 1, in the presence of an uricase enzyme, uric acid is oxidized to allantoin. Uric acid plus O2 plus 2H2O in the presence of uricase enzyme is gives to allantoin plus CO2 plus H2O2. Uric acid plus mediator oxygen plus 2H2O is gives to allantoin plus mediator reduction plus CO2 plus 2H plus. Mediator reduction is gives to mediator oxidized mediator plus 2 electrons. These chemical reactions occurs in the presence of uricase enzyme. That is one of the case. In case 2, in the absence of enzyme, uric acid containing ascorbic acid is analyzed by using differential pulse voltmeter. In this determination, two different peaks for uric acid and ascorbic acid are identified with suitable separation. that is, these are two cases. In these two cases, easy to analysis of uric acid by using amperometric sensors. Next, what are the applications of amperometric sensors? The measurement of water quality by using amperometric oxygen sensor, Clark method. It is employed in gas analysis in diverse areas such as food industries, beverage industry to detect explosive materials and toxic gases such as NO2, SO2, CO2, H2S, etc. It is used to determine the concentrations of ionic chemical content in blood, urine and other biological samples. It is used for the determination of trace level concentration of pesticide, fertilizers, drugs and pharmaceuticals, etc. from sample matrix. These are the applications of amperometric sensors.